The retro-modern sport bike segment has been growing steadily. These bikes pay homage to iconic designs of the past while integrating contemporary engineering. So let's take a ride through the 7 best retro modern sport bikes of 2024. With its striking design and advanced technology, the Yamaha XSR 900 is not just a nod to the past, it's a statement of intent for the future of motorcycling. Powered by an 890cc inline-3 engine, pumping out 115 horsepower, the XSR 900 offers exhilarating acceleration and nimble handling. With its retro-inspired bodywork, round headlight, and minimalist design, this bike stands out while embracing the latest tech like traction control and selectable ride modes. Its retro-inspired bodywork is complemented by a 3.5-inch full-color TFT display, providing essential information at a glance while maintaining the vintage vibe. Whether you're cruising the city or carving corners on twisty roads, the XSR 900 is a thrilling nod to the past, powered for the future. The Suzuki Katana is a bold revival of one of the most iconic bikes from the 1980s, blending its futuristic retro styling with cutting-edge technology. Its angular, aggressive design stands as a tribute to the original Katana, while the bike's advanced features and powerful engine make it more than just a nostalgic nod to the past. At the core of the Suzuki Katana lies a formidable 999cc inline-4 engine, producing an impressive 152 horsepower. Paired with traction control, multiple riding modes, and ride-by-wire technology, the Katana provides both precision handling and high-performance thrills. Its bold LED lighting and digital instrumentation ensure the bike feels every bit as modern as it looks timeless. The 2024 Triumph Speed Twin 1200 combines timeless British style with thrilling modern performance, making it a standout in the retro sports bike category. Powered by a 1200cc parallel twin engine, it delivers a robust 104 horsepower and smooth torque, offering both everyday usability and adrenaline-pumping rides. Equipped with the latest rider-focused technology, the Speed Twin 1200 offers features like optimized cornering ABS and traction control, ensuring safety without compromising performance. This retro sports bike captures the spirit of the original Speed Twin while incorporating cutting-edge technology, making it a must-have for enthusiasts who crave both style and substance. The all-new Honda Hawk 11 brings a fresh take on cafe racer-inspired design, merging classic looks with Honda's renowned modern engineering. With its minimalist fairing, sculpted tank, and aggressive stance, the Hawk 11 is a nod to retro racers of the past while packing the punch of today's performance. Powered by the 1084cc parallel twin engine from Honda's Africa Twin, this retro sports bike delivers strong torque and smooth power across the rev range. The bike's throttle-by-wire, selectable ride modes, and slipper clutch ensure it's ready for both spirited rides and relaxed cruising. If you're looking for a motorcycle that combines classic looks with modern performance, the Hawk 11 is worth considering. However, it is currently available only in Japan. The 2024 Moto Guzzi V7 Stone Corsa is a stunning blend of old-school Italian style and modern performance, bringing retro vibes to the forefront with its timeless design and distinctive character. The bike features the V7's iconic air-cooled 853cc transverse-mounted V-twin engine, producing a lively 65 horsepower and 53.8 pound-feet of torque. The bike's full LED lighting enhances visibility and adds a modern touch to its classic design. Features like ABS and traction control blend seamlessly with its timeless aesthetics, offering a ride that's as thrilling as it is stylish. Whether on city streets or country roads, the 2024 V7 Stone Corsa is the perfect fusion of retro racing spirit and modern riding sophistication. The 2024 BMW R129T takes you back to motorcycling's golden age while delivering cutting-edge performance. With a design that echoes BMW's storied past, this retro sports bike perfectly blends timeless elegance and modern engineering. The R129T brings the classic BMW Boxer engine to the forefront, paired with sleek, vintage styling and the latest in riding technology. Powered by an 1170cc air-cooled flat twin engine, this bike delivers smooth, reliable power with 109 horsepower on tap. Whether cruising city streets or hitting winding country roads, the R129T offers agile handling, customizable features, and a ride that's just as thrilling as it is stylish. Inspired by the legendary Kawasaki Z1 from the 1970s, the Z900 RS brings the iconic lines of classic motorcycles into the 21st century while delivering the cutting-edge engineering expected from a modern sport bike. The teardrop-shaped fuel tank, round headlight, and chrome accents are clear callbacks to the 1970s, evoking a sense of vintage charm. However, Kawasaki's designers ensured the Z900 RS wasn't stuck in the past. The bike features full LED lighting and a semi-digital instrument panel packed with technology that gives it a modern appeal while maintaining its retro roots. Beneath the classic look is a modern bike with a powerful 948cc inline-4 engine. It handles city streets and highways well, offering the perfect mix of nostalgia and performance. These motorcycles offer both nostalgia and cutting-edge performance, making them ideal choices for riders looking to blend the best of both worlds on their journeys.